Okay, number 16. If the expression 2x squared plus 3y is odd, and x and y are integers, which of the following statements must be true? So you see the Roman numerals, you see the variables, you see the must be true. Get comfortable with the technique and trust in it. So we get to plug in numbers. It's kind of hard to see where to begin, so I would just maybe throw in that x equals 2. And then from there, maybe set that whole expression equal to an odd number and solve for y. So if x is equal to 2, we could plug in the odd number 5 as the sum of the expression 2x squared plus 3y. So we would now have 2 times 2 squared plus 3y equals 5. Simplifying that would give us 2 times 4 plus 3y equals 5. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 plus 3y equals 5. Subtract 8 from both sides, and we would have 3y equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 3, and we'd end up getting y as negative 1. From here, well, negative 1 and 2 are both integers, so we've matched all of our restrictions, and we're good to go. Let's go through our Roman numerals. Roman numeral number 1, y is odd. Well, y is negative 1, and that's odd, so 1 could work. Roman numeral number 2, x is odd. Well, we said x was 2, and that's even. So statement 2 doesn't have to be true. It's not a must be true. So we get to eliminate all the answer choices that contain Roman numeral number 2. So we can cross out answer choice D and answer choice E. Moving to Roman numeral number 3, y minus x is odd. Negative 1 minus 2 is a negative 3. Negative 3 is odd, so Roman numeral number 3 works. So from here we have 1 and 3 working. So we still have two possible answer choices, 1 and 3. And rather than just moving and picking C, we need to plug in again, but we got to get a little funky. So we had plugged in x was an even number 2. Why don't we try plugging in an odd number? What if we said that x was 3? And we still set it equal to an odd number, so we could set it equal to 9. So that would give us 2 times 3 squared plus 3y equals 9. Simplifying that, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so we have 18 plus 3y equals 9. Subtract 18 from both sides, and we get 3y equaling negative 9, and then divide both sides by 3, and you get y is equal to negative 3. Move to Roman numeral 1, well, negative 3 is odd, so 1 still works. So if you move to Roman numeral 3, you have a minus 3, which is minus 6, which is even, not odd. So we know that Roman numeral 3 doesn't work, so from there we get to eliminate answer choice C, and we're left with answer choice A.